how to delete YouTube channel permanently. So if you want to delete your YouTube channel, then you'll be required to follow all the instructions till the end. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Go to the YouTube application on your device. Make sure you have logged in into your YouTube channel. Then let's tap on profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Here on the top, you will be able to find out the View Channel button. Tap on it. Once you get on the home page of your YouTube or the profile of your YouTube, let's tap on the three dotted at the top right of the screen. Now here on this drop down menu, tap on Help and Feedback button. Now on this section you can see Search Help bar. Tap on it and search in Delete. At the first option only you can get the option of delete or hide your channel. Tap on it. Scroll down and now tap on delete your channel permanently option. Scroll again and let's tap on this YouTube Studio link. You can choose any browser of your choice. For now, Chrome has been set to default, so I'm in my Chrome. Let's tap on continue. So once you're on this YouTube Studio, you need to just zoom in and here I can see the option of settings or the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Simply click on the settings icon and here you need to select channel. After that, select advanced settings. Here you can scroll down and click on manage your YouTube account link. Once you are done doing that, you can simply view advanced settings again here. Let's click on it. And once you are on this page, you need to click on delete channel link. You need to verify your account in order to continue into your password of your YouTube channel's Gmail and click on next. So once you verify your account's Gmail, you can tap on I want to permanently delete my content. And here you can select both the boxes and click on delete my content. After you have deleted it, you need to again verify your account. After that, you can easily delete YouTube channel permanently. I hope this video was grateful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.